Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to explain you how to create 4-step rectangular infographics where you can represent your title, icon, description in this manner in a very creative and attractive manner, as you can see here on the screen. So now let us do new slide, blank slide, and format the background with light gray color. Now go to the insert bar and select frame shape and make it more thinner. Then format it height and width. Okay, now duplicate this and place it in the bottom and simultaneously to the up of the right side, then at the bottom simultaneously, so now we have to adjust it to the center and make sure that it does not go away from the slide, and also make sure that the rectangles touch each other at the corners and align it properly to the center. Now shape fill as we'll select this green or maybe dark light green, and shape outline as black. So always select the shape outline as black, and we have to choose 4 different colors for 4 different rectangles. Okay, we'll select the light blue, then as always shape outline as black, as I have already said you. Then 4 different colors respective of your choice. I have selected these 4 colors. Go to the insert bar, then select the text box for the title. Now we have to make it bold and select your favorite font and then the font size as your wish, and may align it to the center. Go to the format, text, effects, transform it to the flow path where you can represent your title in a very creative fashion, not as a normal fashion, so it looks creative. So now we have to duplicate, and then for the 4 of the rectangles we have to place the title as it is. Now remember that we have to select the title at the bottom for the 2 rectangulars at the bottom. Also we need to change a flow path little bit, that is the text effects, and place it accordingly. Okay, now go to the insert bar again, from shapes select the circle. After selecting the circle, we have to go to the height and width section and adjust the height of the circle and width of the circle accordingly. Now select the circle, shape fill as white and shape outline as dark blue, and place it to the center such that the icon comes on it. So select the weight as 3 pointer, the outline weight, and now these are the icons. You will have the link in the description so that you can download, or else you can go to the noun project or a flat icon website so that you can download n number of resources of icons. Now we have to add a light shadow at the back. You can see a light shadow, like the shadow you can see of the outline. Now place and align the title and icon respectively. Okay, after duplicating it, place it to the second rectangle. Okay, now remove the icon and select any icon of your choice. then place it, then we have to change the color of the icon and group it together. First we need to group and then change the color, shape outline as any color of your choice. Any color of your choice. Okay, perfect. Now we have to select this second one and place the duplicate to the third rectangle. Okay, now select the colors. Every color should be different, so I'm selecting this nice reddish pink and shape outline also pink. No outline. Okay, we'll select as no outline. Okay, now select this one, duplicate and place it to the fourth rectangle. Okay, now change its shape outline as green, maybe green or any color of your choice. I'm selecting it to the green. Okay, the shape fill actually should be green of the same color. Now we have to replace the icon with the same and align it to the center. Now what we have to do is select the icon and shape fill as this one, red, and place it towards on the icon, and make sure that every icon and its shape is grouped so that we can add the animation as one. Make sure everything is grouped. Group it. Now it's perfect. Now we have to add the shadow for the both, as I added the shadow for the first and second. Similarly for third and fourth we added the shadow, light shadow, as you can see, and align it to the center. You have to align it to the center. Okay, after alignment, now we need to go to the insert bar and select the vertical scroll shape. Okay, now we need to adjust the height and width of the vertical scroll shape. Actually, we need to adjust it. Now we need to adjust the shape such that it fits onto the the fourth side, the side of the rectangle at the bottom. We need to adjust it like that. So again we need to adjust and see the height and width accordingly. Okay, so it's not so proper, but we need to adjust until it get properly fit onto the one side, that is the bottom side of the rectangle. Okay, now I think it's perfect. Now slight adjustments need to be done. Okay, bring it to the front. Slight adjustments before we get to the formatting. Okay, I think adjustments need to be done lightly because it need to fit onto the shape correctly. Now shape fill, as we selected the bright colors, and shape outline as always black. Duplicate and rotate it. Rotate and then fit to the second rectangle. Okay, we need to change the colors respectively. I've chosen some bright colors and some light, very attractive colors. every shape should have its different colors. Make sure that the rectangle and the vertical scroll doesn't match each other, so we have to change the colors. Shape outline as this. It's perfect. Now it's time for us to add the description. Just select this description, or else you can edit your descriptions and just paste it. Simultaneously paste it onto the top of the vertical scroll. Here we should place. Now for the last, we have to place. Now go to the insert bar, from shapes, the arrow, such that we can indicate the description. We have to indicate the description. It's your wish. You have to indicate or not. It's up to you. Now place it just below it. From weight, select the 1.5 pointer. Now go to the text box and drag the text box and write the description. Bold it. Now change the font and now drag it below the line. Similarly for all the vertical scrolls. Line and the description for all the vertical scrolls. Now for the third one also. Okay, now the description for the two. For third and then the fourth. Okay, it's now perfect. Now go to the animations. Add animation. Okay, first we need to remove all the animations, whichever animation exists. Remove all. Now split animation for the frame 1. Yeah, after previous, select the duration of it as 0.50 duration. Now for the title, wipe from left after previous. Okay, for the icon, fade in after previous. Select the duration as 1. Title comes and then slowly it fades in. We have to increase the duration such that it slowly fades in. Yeah, it's perfect now. Now for the vertical scroll, wipe from bottom after previous. Okay. Adjust the durations accordingly. Okay. Now wipe or fade in. Yeah, fade in is perfect with previous. Now this also, even these two fade with previous. Select the delay of it and duration accordingly. Now just play it once. Vertical scroll comes in, then the description. Perfect. Similarly, we have to apply for all of these. Split after previous. Now for the title, wipe from left after previous. Icon, fade with after previous. Increase the duration 1.25 or 1.75. And for the vertical scroll, wipe from from the bottom after previous and select the duration accordingly. After previous, now description and the line fade with previous, select the duration and delay. Accordingly set the duration and delay. Now for the third frame, split after previous, title wipes from left after previous. Now icon fade in after previous, increase the duration 1.75. Now vertical scroll wipe from top after previous, duration increase, and the description fade after previous, the description and the line fade with previous, increase the delay and duration accordingly. Now for the last frame, as it is, wipe for the title from left after previous. Okay, now for the icon, fade after previous, increase the duration 1.75. Now for the scroll after previous, increase the duration to 2. Now for the description, fade after previous. Now for the description line, fade with previous, select the duration and delay accordingly. Go to the animation pane, once play it from frame 1. Perfect, frame 1 is done. Then the frame 2 comes in. It's perfect. Then the frame 3 displays title, icon, description. Now for the last is the frame 4, title, icon, description. Now I think it's perfect. I think it's perfect now. So just adjust the descriptions and alignment properly to the center of the vertical scrolls. Okay, now the slideshow. So we can creatively represent the title, icon and description in a 4-step rectangular infographics in a creative and attractive way. So it's a very unique way to represent your title, description, your icon in a very creative and attractive way. Thank you.